Hi, and welcome to Bible Study with Friends. I'm going to do something different today. I'd like to talk to you about Christmas. Are you overwhelmed by the hustle and bustle of holiday activities? Feeling the pressure of finding that perfect Christmas present? But don't let this shopping season frustrate you and isolate you from all this joy stuff going around. I've written a little book to help you re examine where you fit at this time of year and provide a meaningful gift to someone you know. The book talks about what Christmas is really about. What could the wise men tell us each about the motivations, actions, and meanings of the holiday? The title of this book is called Why the Wise Men Came to Christmas. The purpose of the book is simple. It takes one small part of the story, the visit of the wise men, a part familiar yet hardly thought about, and asks some questions designed to help rethink why we celebrate Christmas. Who are the wise men of the Christmas story? Where do they come from? And why would these non Jewish men of the Middle East care that a king was born in a remote province of the mighty Roman Empire? Then, what would motivate them to pack up and travel for hundreds of miles just to visit this young king? Answering these questions can bring you a fresh appreciation of your Christmas season. You may think you know the story. You might have heard it 100 times, or maybe never even thought about it at all. Inside the pages of Why the Wise Men Came to Christmas, you'll discover a fresh new perspective on life and the reasons for living. You'll find a completely new motivation to join with the wise men in wishing your fellow man a very Merry Christmas. This book is designed to give a fresh perspective on the birth of Jesus to the longtime church member or the person who's never been. It is of a size and construct that could readily be used in Sunday schools and small groups within a church or even as a non-threatening fun gift for friends and family. The book will act as a jumpstart for discussion of the wise men of Christmas and the gift we can all receive and appreciate. The book strips away misconceptions about the wise men of legend, strips away the misconceptions of the three wise men and cultural myth. Each reader will be brought to a clearer understanding of their personal Christmas story. I put a link in the description below that links you to the Amazon page, and you can take a look and have plenty of time to buy it for yourself or as a gift for someone you know. And have a very merry and blessed Christmas.